Alright. By the way, I'm recording again. No saying the N-word, Jordan. Oh, Caleb's streaming right now? Hey, everyone that's watching Caleb currently, if you wanna just hop over to Rice and Jeans, I'll start my stream here real quick. I don't understand what your problem is, Caleb. Oh, yeah, also I crafted the first two. I have the first two ever crafted shields in this world, so I've just never crafted shields. So, what exactly are you guys doing? Oh shoot, I need to call Leland still.
Yes.
Leland,
Yes.
do you want do you want to play Minecraft?
I do, but I can't.
Why can't you?
Because once Maggie gets back, we're going to my grandparents.
Bruh.
Because she hasn't met my grandparents yet.
Can you play on Sunday?
I'll be able to play tomorrow.
I can't play tomorrow, that's the problem.
Why?
Because I'm gonna be at a birthday party. I might be able to play for a little bit, but like not very long.
Oh.
Will you be able to play on Sunday?
What are you doing Sunday?
Like, nothing. That's why I'm asking why. That's why I'm asking if you'd be able to play on Sunday.
Are you going to be in Wausau?
I think yeah. I'm fairly
Well,
certain I'm gonna be in Wausau.
well, where's the party at?
Where's the party? Oh, it's my cousin's party
Where at?
uh, in Eau Claire.
Oh. See, my aunt wants some help afternoon on Sunday. So I was thinking maybe you can come help.
Well, tell your aunt that you're busy.
I can't.
Why?
Because I already told her I would help her.
Well, tell her that things have changed.
Yeah.
Well, can you at least play later in the day?
Yeah.
Okay.
I should be able to.
It's a lot of gold.
So. But, sorry.
It's fine, Leland.
Can you play later tonight?
Probably. How late tonight, Leland?
I am not sure.
Okay, well, I probably won't be staying up past like 11, so.
Oh, yeah, it'll probably be after that.
I gotta drive to Eau Claire on Saturday, Saturday morning.
Yeah. So.
What's your problem, Jordan?
I'm sorry.
It's fine. All right. Well, I love you.
Call me tomorrow whenever you're ready to play.
Okay. No guarantees on that. Like I
Okay.
said, I'm probably gonna be busy. I grabbed way too much gold. I'm probably gonna be a little bit busy.
Yeah. So, but, alright.
I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
What are you guys doing again? I wasn't listening if you guys said what you were doing. I don't... Dude, I really don't care if people know I live in Wausau. What are they gonna do? Go door to door? You know, go door to door for like 100,000 people? I don't think that's gonna be... I don't think that's gonna happen. also, people can. What happened? Wait, so what are you guys playing? Or are you like versing each other, seeing who can get like the most progress or whatever? What's what skyblock are you playing on? Is it just like a normal skyblock? Jordan, when are you gonna get when you get oh sorry, what? How long is that gonna be? Does it probably. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Jordan, I'm not a girl. I'm not a girl. No, I no, Jordan, I don't know if you know this, but I'm not fucking anyone, so like Jordan, please don't turn on your camera. I am recording it. That's just gonna eat up every last bit of my RAM. Caleb, I'm gonna block you if you do that. That's true. Bruh. Do you guys want to play Death Swap later tonight? We can. Do you want to right now? So I wouldn't mind playing Death Swap right now. Okay. Caleb, what do you say? We can play some Death Swap. Uh-oh. Hell yeah. Good one, Jordan. You bitch. What's going on? Dude, pre 1.13 was like one of the best like recent updates. Like it was one of the best like it's the oldest best update. Like hands down. I think at least. I don't know how to explain it. 1.13 is when Minecraft started updating Minecraft correctly, you know? Since 1.13, I haven't been playing Minecraft. I mean, I have been playing Minecraft since 1.13, but I haven't really been getting in, or like I haven't really gotten into it since like halfway through 1.16 or 15. Sorry, what was that? Oh yeah, I was also just gonna say the World of Color update was also pretty good. I liked that. They gotta make a new like maybe make it so that there's more totems of undying in a mansion. Well, it's not that they have to make it that there's more to the mansion, but like maybe have some like exclusive loot that you can only get at the mansion, but it's not like a consumable. So it's like maybe it's a tool. Maybe it's like a sword that's like more strong than a netherite pickaxe, or sorry, a netherite sword. Maybe it's wait, gamers in here. Gamers in the Twitch chat. Oh crap! I gotta give me a second. I gotta ban someone. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna ban him. Gamer, your skin sucks. It's not mine, so I'm sorry about it. Get good. Jordan. Actually, I think it'd be fun if Gamer wants to play for a little bit. I think that would be. Yeah, I think that would crash it a lot. Wasn't it having? Okay. Don't worry, I'll ban him from your Twitch chat. Sorry about it. Get good, Jordan. Can you? Oh. Sorry about it, Jordan. Sorry about it. Unban you? How about I mute you? Okay, I'll unban you, Jordan. I will. Take unban. Caleb, if you even dare threaten to take away my permissions, I'm gonna unmod you. I'm gonna slash unop Caleb I almost just said Caleb 2kx. Ew. No. Did you just walk off, bro? Whoa. Jordan, you are a pussy. Wait a minute. I don't think that's how that saying goes at all, Jordan. 3D pack? Caleb, can your computer even run like a 3D pack? I have a vanilla. Do you have like vanilla tweaks? Well, that's like my. I love vanilla tweaks. I wish there was a Bedrock equivalent of vanilla tweaks. You know, I don't think it's dog shit solely because you can play with your friends without having to create a server. You also can play with your cross-platform friends. But like other than that, Bedrock's kind of bad. I'm not gonna lie. The only reason I said, well, yeah, I am jealous that Minecraft Java can use my GPU and Minecraft Bedrock can't for whatever reason. I don't believe that. It was probably damaged. There's no way that was Jordan, why do you need a 3870? I Jordan, there's probably something wrong with it. That's why it's cheap. Are you? Yeah, okay. Explain to me how you're gonna fix it. Explain to me how you're gonna fix it without. Okay, YouTube. Why? Types into the search bar. Why doesn't my 3070 work? Buying from the Facebook Marketplace is equivalent to buying is literally like the same as buying from Wish. Yeah, if you want. Okay, car sales from Facebook Marketplace are fine, but like computer part sales, no, don't do that. Because you can test if a car works right on the spot, but like you can't really test if a GPU works right on the spot. Look, it works in my computer. It works in my computer. It's like his computer's running off of like a completely separate GPU. There's no way. I guarantee he already has people talking to him about it though. Oh, what? Ah, dude, I kind of want to get like one of the 20 series. I just want a graphics card that can do RTX. That's all I want. Wait, who? 3070 for $5? I feel like that might be a scam too. Oh my gosh, is that a 3090 RTX Ti on Wish for $5? Wait, what do you mean? No. Yeah, that's what they're doing. You see that, so you click on it. Jordan, you clicked on it. Say what you will, but you clicked on it. Broke. Thank God I have a 1070. You don't have a 3090. Jordan, remember when I was gonna buy a 3090 just for the hell of it? Remember what I was gonna do? Yeah, it doesn't seem that... I could have resold it, Jordan, and made like 3 times the profit. I was just gonna have it sit on my desk. I could have it Bitcoin mine. What do you wish? That's fair enough. Buy one. That's fair. Yeah, start saving, then buy yourself a new PC. I would recommend from what that's 10 more than gamers. I'm pretty sure I only have a 1062. It's also 10 more. Thank God I'm not a gamer. Imagine having a 1050. The pandemic. The pandemic. You're epileptic? For the cheap. For what? I don't believe that. Actually, how much is the base price of a 1060? Like unscalloped. Yeah, like unscalloped price or whatever. That sounds a little high. I feel like it was less. I feel like it was more like 2. Yeah, when it first came out. Uh-oh. I'm being called by someone. Give me a second, I gotta mute.